In amateur video circulated in social media, workers can be observed rushing outside the factory building to protect themselves. According to witnesses, the explosion occurred while workers were repairing and installing a furnace part plate. Several oxygen cylinders around it also exploded, leading to intense flames.
As a result of this incident, 12 people lost their lives and 39 victims experienced light and severe injuries, requiring immediate transportation to the nearest hospital.
PT ITSS is located in the PT Indonesia Morowali Industrial Park in Bohodopi District, Morowali. The majority shares are owned by Tsingshan Holding Group Company Limited from China, who has invested in the Indonesian nickel industry since 2009 and has more than 20 nickel processing smelters in Morowali.